Hi and welcome to R2 Select. We are almost completed with creating vector portrait using Inkscape. Before starting this final video, let's recap our progress till now. At first, outlines were made, then we colored the subject with flat colors, and after that detailed coloring of eyes and hair, and following that facial shadows and highlights are added.
To begin with, let's add a new layer above flat color layer and name it as shirt.
Using Bezier tool, let's draw shapes resembling cloth effect over the shirt and make sure every shape is a closed loop so it can be filled with color. Use zoom in and zoom out to make precise shape and complete closed loop shape for resembling shirt shadows. So now as the shape has completed the loop, let's add color in it. I will add shadow, so I am choosing a grayish color, and yep, it looks nice and decent. Let's edit some parts of the shape using edit paths by node tool, adjusting the curves, and I am happy with the shape now. Let's make more shape like this on the remaining part of the shirt. So follow along the video and mention your queries in the comment section. I will try to sort them out. So now we will move towards the mouth region. Let's add some levels of shadows and highlights on the lip and teeth. I will start with lips. Using Bezier pen, let's make a shape over it and color it with a dark shade of lip color. And make few more shapes as highlight.
Now let's make a shadow tone for the gums. Using Bezier pen, let's make a shape.
I have simplified the shape by reducing the number of nodes. To do that, select the shape and press Ctrl+L key. This will reduce the number of nodes, which makes it easy to modify the shape by node editor tool.
For teeth, to create some amount of depth, I'm going to add 2 levels of shadows. In this image we have upper teeth only, so let's make shapes resembling tooth shadows. Using Bezier tool, let's make shapes for the shadow. The shadow will lie on left side of every tooth situated on the left, and for right side, shadow will lie on the right area of every tooth situated on the right. So let's make some shapes which will resemble shades on the tooth.
Travel a complete loop, click and drag for making curves. Remove the stroke and fill the shape with grey tone. Now let's arrange the shape below the gums as we want it on top of the teeth. Select and lower the selection by a step or two to make the shape down. So let's repeat the same process for slightly darker shade of shadow over the teeth. So after that, let's have a check if we have missed anything or not. Yep, there's this spot where stroke is not removed. So let's remove it by selecting the shape and press hold shift. and click on this cross. Okay, now let's check for any holes in this vector portrait. For this, let's grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle frame over the portrait. Let's select a vibrant color like red, which is easy to spot. Right now it's drawn over the flat colors, so let's select this rectangle and lower it down at extreme back of flat colors. Now check if the red is visible or see-through within the portrait. I guess it's not, and we are done creating the vector portrait. Now let's change the color of the red rectangle and turn it as our background for this portrait. Select the rectangle and change the color to white. Now let's save it as a PNG file. Go to File and click on Export PNG file. The export dialog box will pop up and you can save this file in variety of ways like page, drawing, selection and custom. I usually save the file by selection. So select all the shapes. Make sure all the layers are visible and unlocked except the reference image layer. It must remain invisible and locked. This is the target folder where the file will be saved, and now click on export. Let me check the file in the folder and let's open the file. There we go, the file is ready. In this way we have completed a tutorial series of creating a vector art or vector portrait illustration cartoon of an image using Inkscape. I hope you liked this video series and understood how to create vector art on Inkscape. Please support this channel by subscribing it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. More videos are gonna come. My name is Abhinav and peace out.